Hello students, in this video we will going to learn chapter number 11, our environment. What is environment? The term environment comes from the French word environ and it means everything that surrounds us. The totality of the surrounding conditions for comfortable living of organism. The environment is the area in which we live. Sometimes the components of our environment such as land and water becomes dirty. When the harmful substances contaminated the environment, it is called pollution. The pollution refers to the very bad condition of the environment in terms of quantity and quality. There are four types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution or soil pollution, and noise pollution. Water pollution. The contamination of water with undesirable substances which make it unfit for usage is termed as water pollution. There are various causes of water pollution. About 40% of the deaths worldwide are caused by water pollution. Water pollution is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluent discharge into rivers. Throwing household and factory waste into water bodies, washing clothes and utensils in water bodies, bathing animals in water bodies are the causes of water pollution. There are various effects of water pollution are cholera, malaria, typhoid, aquatic life gets destroyed. The polluted water is unsafe to drink as it may cause different types of diseases. There are various ways to avoid water pollution. Rivers should not be used for washing clothes or bathing animals. Harvesting of rainwater to meet water requirements. Dams must be created. The rivers must not be contaminated. In sacred river like Ganga, the dead bodies should not thrown. The second type of pollution is noise pollution. Unlike the above mentioned types of pollution, does not involve hazardous chemicals or their incorporation into the environment. Rather, noise pollution is the increase in the rate of noise in the environment. Noise can be extremely dangerous and it is all around us. It penetrates into human mind and controls it. There are various sources of noise pollution: road traffic noise, aircraft, noise from the railroads, construction noise, noise from industry and building, noise from consumer co-products, loudspeakers, firecrackers, and many more. Noise pollution can cause hearing loss, high blood pressure, stress, sleep disturbance, color blindness. How to avoid noise pollution? The government should ensure the new machines that should be noise proof. Airports must be away from residential area. The sound horn symbol is to be in school roads. Air pollution. It is perhaps the most common and the most dangerous type of pollution. It involves the direct release of chemicals into the environment. The chemicals then become the part of the air around us that all the living things take in. Causes of air pollution. The main causes of air pollution are volcanoes, wildfires, tornadoes, factories, automobiles, energy sources. Effects of air pollution: respiratory and heart problems, weathering, atrophication, depletion of ozone layer. Various ways to control air pollution are to conserve energy, recycle paper, plastic, glass bottles, to grow more trees as they make the air fresh and clean, walk or use bicycles for shorter distances. Soil pollution. Soil pollution involves the contamination of soil by the release of harmful substances into the soil. Unlike air pollution, which has a direct effect of human life, soil pollution causes an indirect damage to humans and other animals. The causes of soil pollution are seepage from a landfill, discharge of industrial waste into the soil, percolation of contaminated water into the soil, rupture of underground storage tanks, excess application of pesticides, solid waste seepage, deforestation and soil erosion. Soil pollution decreases the production of crops. Also, eating fruits, vegetables and grains grown in polluted soil may cause various diseases such as stomach infection. Methods to control soil pollution: reducing chemical, fertilizer and pesticide use, recycling paper, plastic and other materials, reusing of materials, planting more and more trees to prevent soil erosion and pollution. Thank you. I hope you are clear with the topic.